The John J. Farber Technology and Innovation Center isn't just a resource for Primex, it's a resource for our customers as well, giving visibility to materials, processes, and secondary fabrication, testing, all in one location. In our test lab, we have some analytical capabilities, basic level stuff, FTIR, DSC, TGA. So that allows us to look internally a little more on materials and products there. As far as mechanical testing goes, we can carry out any test that you would normally see on a resin property data sheet. Most of the tests that we can conduct are part of our scope of accreditation with A2LA. We are an accredited lab. Beyond the mechanical stuff, we can also do accelerated weathering, we can do flammability, some more specialized tests like that as well.
When you take a look at the JJF Center, it's really about the training. It's the investment in people. It's the investment in the customers. And this is really what this building is about, pulling it all together, being more consultative, listening, solving problems. Together we collaborate and find lasting solutions that have impactful impact for results in the future.
The beauty of our group is that we're able to take those high-level things and make them understandable, make them relatable, and translate the industry-specific, process-specific terminology, nuts and bolts kind of stuff into a framework that becomes meaningful for people. So hopefully that's one of our strengths and one of the other things that we bring to the table.
One of the legacies of Primex is the expansion, the growth, who we are. It's not necessarily the 58 years of history, it's the future, the direction we're going as an organization. And part of that is investing in the business, and this is what the JJF Center is. It's not just important to Primex, but it's important to our customers. We're taking them to the next step. The polymers of today aren't going to be the polymers of tomorrow. The things we're doing today aren't going to get us where we want to be 58 years from now. So we use this lab to collaborate and build a synergistic approach to the future. And we're able to do that with the customers here on a one-on-one element that develops growth, trust, and a lasting legacy to the future.
If you feel you have a need to utilize the services, the equipment, the capabilities that we have in our lab, ultimately you just need to contact your local sales rep. And working through them, we can set up, we can have some conversations up front, understand what those needs are, what you're looking for, what you hope to gain, and then we can establish a game plan around that. It's an open space, so if we're doing trial work for you, you're welcome to be present when that's taking place. If we're doing testing for you and you want to understand that better, you can be present at that time as well. We can explain that testing, demonstrate it, you can see it happening. And so being able to close the loop on a lot of those things that typically happen behind closed doors or out of sight, out of reach, you can have direct exposure to all of those activities in this space.